the pellets, and we all will be, the things will be over for us. It is such a deadly mine. So I was unable to sleep. So he got up at 1 o'clock in the night and he asked that, why are you not sleeping? I said, sir, this has happened and I am not able to sleep. I am under tension. कहता है, whenever your thing will come, whenever you have to go, you will go. So why are you worrying now? Go to sleep. जब तेरी आएगी मौत, तब तेरी आएगी. Don't worry. Go to sleep. He went out to sleep. I also went out to sleep. In one of the incident, these Pakistanis would come and visit a sarpanch, village sarpanch house, and they were, misusing his daughters. So the sarpanch came and he said, sir, these people are misusing my daughters, and I want your help. So we said, we are ready, and we'll come, and you have to indicate when these people are inside, and we'll take care of them. So he was quite apprehensive that, sir, when you fire, we will also get hit. What will happen to us? So I told him, don't worry. When these people come out, we will handle them in a manner that you will not get hurt. So first day I went, I laid the ambush. That old man was afraid. He did not give any signal. And without a success, we came back. After 2 days, Major Vivek went around with 6 boys, and again that old man got scared. But as he was lifting up, he also thought that this old man will not give any help, and he was lifting up his ambush. At that time he saw the movement that these people are trying to get the entry inside the house. The village, the sarpanch was so afraid that he did not open the door. So he again, was the ambush was already lifted up. People were moving around, so he was again trying to put that ambush down. Okay, now these people are here and we have to get them. And he was trying to organize the ambush again. And in that, commotion, or probably since the old man did not open the door, the terrorists, they tried to go to some other house. And as they went to the other house, they saw movement of army. So they turned back and they started coming towards the place where Major Vivek Singh was there. And he was also moving. He was trying to put his boy, okay, two, aap do yahan beto. He was trying to, do last minute arrangements. So he saw them coming like this. He's here and he saw them coming in open like this. So he just kneeled down on the open road and he shot them from 5 meters. I was in the post that was only 3 kilometers. So I heard 2 shots. Then I immediately got onto the set. I heard 3 shots. Immediately got onto the set. Sir, what happened? I have killed 3. There was no other fire. 3 shots, 1 man, 3 down. So he was so brave, and this kind of bravery and this kind of accuracy. When you see an enemy, and Lashkar-e-Toiba is not an enemy which can, they are also brave people. I have had the experience, they fight really well and they are well trained. So I give them that respect. Seeing the, militant or terrorist or mujahid, keeping the nerves calm, no cover, kneeling down and taking them on single shot in night is a bravery beyond compare. Bravery beyond compare. That you have to have nerves of steel. You have to have very even heartbeats. When we, say something, someone says that, okay, I say, okay, you come, and without preparation, I give you a mic, please speak. So the heartbeats will go up. But when heartbeats are up, you can't shoot straight. Your hands will shake. So you can imagine the nerves he had and the courage he had. Cool, calm. The way he went, you can read. He got a bullet here, he got a bullet here. Facing the enemy like this, from very close quarter. He went in style. He went like a soldier, a warrior should go. So my homage to him, and I find myself lucky that I stand below his photograph. And after Mashobra, I came here. We were going to Leh, and that time I stayed here, and I suggested Vikram that, in Mashobra they are organizing such kind of event. Why can't you organize it here? And I suggested same thing to Sanjay. So Sanjay and Vikram got together, and that is how we all are here. And then we have dedicated this run to Major Vivek Singh Bhanral, Sena Medal Gallantry. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is his story of courage, and we are running for him. Thank you very much.